Good morning, students. Today we study hexose monophosphate shunt. What is hexose monophosphate shunt? It is a minor metabolic pathway of carbohydrate. It is also known as pentose phosphate pathway. In this pathway, goes instead of going through glycolytic pathway, shunted through this pathway. In this pathway, only monophosphates are formed with the intermediate formation of pentose phosphates, site of HMP shunt. It occurs in cytosol. Significance: major source of reduced NADPH and pentose phosphate for nucleotide synthesis. Phases of HMP pathway. It is oxidative. Second, non-oxidative. In oxidative phase is irreversible. During this phase, glucose 6-phosphate is oxidized with the generation of 2 molecules of NADPH and 1 molecule of pentose phosphate with the liberation of carbon dioxide, 1 molecule of. Non-oxidative phase. Here pentose phosphate is converted to intermediate of glycolysis. Now, oxidative phase. Step 1 of HMP pathway. Glucose 6-phosphate is oxidized by the NADP plus dependent glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase to 6-phosphogluconolactate and 1 molecule of NADPH is formed. This is rate limiting step of HMP. Step 2 of HMP pathway. The lactone is hydrolyzed by gluconolactone hydrolyzed to 6-phosphogluconic acid. Step 3. This is an oxidative step coupled with decarboxylation. The enzyme is 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase. The 6-phosphogluconic acid is dehydrogenated to 3-keto-6-phosphogluconate. It is a transient compound and spontaneously undergoes decarboxylation to form ribulose 5-phosphate. In this step, a second molecule of NADPH is generated. Non-oxidative phase. First is isomerization. The ribulose 5-phosphate is then isomerized to ribose 5-phosphate or epimerized to xylulose 5-phosphate. Second, transketolase reaction. Transketolase is a thymine pyrophosphate dependent enzyme. It transfers 2 carbon units with keto group from xylulose 5-phosphate to ribose 5-phosphate to form pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate, a 7-carbon sugar, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. In thymine deficiency, transketolase reaction is decreased. Then transaldolase reaction. In this reaction, there is transfer of 3 carbon units from pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form fructose 6-phosphate. Second transketolase reaction. In another transketolase reaction, a 2 carbon unit is transformed from xylulose 5-phosphate to glucose 4-phosphate to form fructose 6-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Step 8. 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in step 7 condense to form 1 molecule of fructose 6-phosphate. Reversal of step 4 of glycolysis. Fructose 6-phosphate is now converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Reversal of second step of glycolysis. Now, regulation of HMP shunt pathway. Oxidative phase is mainly regulated by level of NADP plus. Non-oxidative phase is regulated by requirement of pentose sugar. Now, significance of HMP pathway. Oxidative phase occurs in liver, adipose tissue, adrenal cortex, mammary gland, testes, ovaries, RBC, and lens of eye. Non-oxidative phase occurs in all tissues of the body. Second, generation of reducing equivalent. HMP pathway produce cytoplasmic NADPH for reductive biosynthesis of fatty acids, cholesterol and steroids. Free radical scavenging. Free radicals are produced continuously from all cells. This will destroy DNA, proteins, fatty acids, all biomolecules. The free radicals are inactivated by enzyme system containing superoxide dismutase peroxidase and glutathione reductase. Reduced GSH regenerated with the help of NADPH. Erythrocytes membrane integrity. NADPH is required by the RBC to keep the glutathione in the reduced state. Reduced glutathione will detoxify the peroxidase and free radicals formed within the RBC. NADPH, glutathione and glutathione reductase together will preserve the integrity of RBC membrane. NADPH is required to keep the iron of hemoglobin in the reduced state and prevent the accumulation of methemoglobin. Detoxification of drugs and other foreign substances are detoxified by the liver microsomal cytochrome P450 enzyme with the help of NADPH. Maximum concentration of NADPH is found in lens of eye. NADPH is required for preserving the transparency of lens. NADPH is required for production of reactive oxygen species by macrophages to kill bacteria. Generates the pentoses needed for DNA and RNA synthesis.